Hey there, boards, Angry Bird Want. One here back with another vid. And there's a new rotation in Feral Bait. Looks like it's pizza time again. They've opened all three areas. I know where the quest is, but first let's capture some sushi so I can get back on top of the season pass challenges. I haven't been spending that much time on Feral Bait recently because one, the season pass challenges are getting a bit impossible, and two, being finally got a server working for me and him in Minecraft. So I've been spending a lot more time in Minecraft. I'll pause the video and be right back when it's realised that it's loading. And of course I didn't actually pause the video, as just saying that I'm going to has made it realise it has to load soon. Right now the server for me and being in Minecraft is actually down, as Bean temporarily took it down to try and get it to process the fact that he's updated it to survival mode. And I'm a bit nervous about survival mode, as I've only experienced creative mode and anything could happen. Luckily, Bean made a safe and secure base. It's 100% mob proof. It turns out all the mobs that were spawning in there the other day was because of Turtle Man. Apparently he's a new superhero on the server, and he spawns mobs in my base via a dispenser hidden under one of the new carpets, because the server actually got a bit of a revamp, because a few hours after I posted the video, I took a chicken-based prank a bit too far and I crashed the server by spamming too many chickens in Bean's base. I knew I should have used normal eggs instead of the spawn egg. Luckily, Bean then revamped the server and he put carpets in my base, and that was when Turtle Man at first appeared, as a bunch of turtles appeared in a custom lake that Bean made. I also noticed there appears to be an enchanted turtle shell in one of Bean's chests, so maybe that has something to do with Turtle Man. But still, like, hold on. Are you saying this guy was the talking statue? Because he has the exact same music as the talking statue guy from a month ago.
Ooh, go to talk with dog. Ooh. with dog. Mazalia. Go to dog with dog.
Hang on a second. I just had to do it, okay? That quote was too perfect to be ignored.
The 80 has said he, it's active now.
Okay. So it looks like the Minecraft serve with Bean is back up. Oh wait, that was a harvesting point, not a pizza drone. Same thing with that Mumbo Chef caterpillar, aka Void Beetle. I'm just gonna call them Mumbo Chef caterpillars from now on. Okay, I found another pizza drone. Okay, my Wi-Fi didn't go just then. That was just a rogue lockpick. One that does not accept being picked up. Okay, here's the final drone. This is another parkour-based quest. I'm just going to grab this. Okay, it's another rogue lockpick. Never mind. Looks like the lockpicks are turning rogue to avoid being picked up.
What's that?
Okay. Thanks for... Actually, that was a better prize than I expected, because it helped me complete a challenge. So I guess thanks for the prize. Alright, that should be easy. It's just giving me all the easy ones now, but I can't complete them now. Or I've got a survival mode Minecraft server to try not to instantly get exploded by a creeper on. So, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!